Well, hello. I'm Michael. There's my son Tim. We're actually got to fix up a Mark 1 root box, then passing it on to another bus enthusiast, and which has got bus 146. You'll actually see tomorrow. This is the actual the root number box out of a Mark 1, a scrap Mark 1 253. And we're just tidying up the actual the root numbers, and yeah, so hopefully do a bit of tidying up on the actual the surface rust as well for yeah. This video will also go on the actual Melbourne bus restoration, which my son Tim has created on YouTube as well, and you'll actually see the variety of buses we will be restoring over the due course. What I'm doing, I'm actually cleaning the actual the box with the dust and all that, and yeah, so that's a bit better. Now we've got some light. And yeah, have to be very gentle with the calico root numbers. Like I said, this actually came out of a scrapped Mark 1. And yeah, if I had black paint, we'll be also painting this as well. Oh, looks rather good in the back. And yeah. Tim's now cleaning the base of it. Yeah, good job. What we need to do is just readjust this, hopefully with fingers, to show the root number. Yeah, what we're doing, we're actually getting rid of the surface rust, make it more nicer. But you won't see this because this will be the actual in the desto box of the bus. There's Tim busy getting rid of the surface rust. And what you hear humming in the background is my disco. Got a flat battery. Oh, it's coming up well. The last bit to get rid of the surface rust. Well, unfortunately, we couldn't find our steel brush, but the Dremel drill was doing a fine job. Next in. And we just lost our top light. Yep, we just touched up the actual the box and all that, made it a little bit neater. When it goes inside the destination area, you will not see this, the paint work and all that, and yeah, so it's another step in helping in restoration of another Mark 1, and yep, so more videos will follow for on my channel, and plus on the Melbourne Bus Restoration, which is my son's channel, Tim's. And yeah, so yeah, wait until tomorrow. Yeah, it's got the loom inside, which is good. All right then. Yeah, so this is bus 146. We're gonna put the actual the route number desto box in, and yeah. That's it. getting there. Looks a lot better, apart from a couple of blotches there. That's it. So far, getting rid of some of the side stickers here. Yeah, we're losing light. Indoors, inside the bus has been tied up, and yeah, so we can step into that. Find Tim in the driver's seat here. Inside the bus, a few lights needs to be replaced here. New tubes. There's Lucy cleaning her bus. This is her bus, not ours. And yeah, so there's a lot of work to be done. And here's some old tickets for back in the day.